Hey guys, welcome back to Montavue. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about our brand new 12 megapixel fisheye camera. Now, compare this to our original 5 megapixel fisheye camera. This is a big improvement over the last model. So, 12 megapixel, that is the equivalent to 6K resolution. That is the highest resolution of any of our cameras that we have. And what that's going to do for you guys, especially with the fisheye dewarp coming into play, is it's going to give you much crisper and clearer views of those further distant objects. So in addition to the higher resolution, it's also got IP67 rating, which means this camera can go outside in the harshest environments. It is weatherproof, sandproof, dustproof, you name it. It also has an IK rating of 10. This is the same as our dome cameras. So not only is it weatherproof, but it's vandal-proof as well. And with its low profile and its sturdy nature, this thing is fully metal and it's going to be really difficult to take down with that IK10 rating as well as the small body. This is probably one of the best cameras you guys can get if you live in a high crime area and are worried about people taking down your stuff. This thing's the ultimate. In addition to those features, it also has an infrared night vision of 33 feet. So it's going to be able to see in a complete radius around wherever the fisheye can see. You're going to be able to get a splash of that infrared and be able to cut through the darkness perfectly. It also has two-way audio. So we have a microphone built into this guy as well as a speaker. So you guys can have a conversation with whoever's on camera. And in addition to that, it's also going to feature a siren. So if you guys see something, or you can set up your tripwires to activate. So when someone crosses the tripwire, siren goes off, hopefully scares them away. A lot like our active deterrence cameras. You can also put custom audio on there, and we have pre-built sayings so that the siren is a little too much for you guys. There are some alternative options there. So in addition to all of that, it also has AI functionality. Now, it's not going to do the human vehicle recognition like some of our other cameras. However, it is going to be able to do people counting, tripwires, and heat map. What heat map does is it allows you to keep track of where and when people have been on camera. And so it kind of keeps track of the locations that people gravitate to the most while they're in view of this. People counter, exactly what it sounds like. Basically, it's going to be able to keep track of everyone that's walked through a tripwire, and it's going to be able to tally up the amount of people that have come through in a given amount of time. Now, because this fisheye is so advanced, it's mostly the high resolution. This is only going to be mainly applicable for the professional series NVRs. So if you guys are not using a Pro Series NVR, you can still use this camera. Just keep in mind the resolution may need to be degraded slightly, and some of the dewarp features won't be available on the NVR interface. Now, good news is that the dewarping features are still available on the Montavue Go mobile application, as well as Montavue Go desktop. So regardless of what type of NVR you guys have, the dewarping features on our applications will still be there for all of you to use. Those of you with Pro Series NVRs, you guys will still have access to the dewarping features directly on your NVR, so it's pretty useful. And that's basically the gist of it. So this is applicable for all of our NVRs, but your Pro Series out there, you're gonna have a much better and fully functioning time with this guy. One thing that we found while testing this in the warehouse is that this fisheye is best suited for a 10 to 20 foot installation height. This is to make sure that your AI functionality works at 100%. Anything lower than 10 feet we found was not very accurate or just wasn't able to trip the tripwires. So again, if you guys plan on using the AI functionality, we're gonna recommend a height of 10 to 20 feet for installation for this camera. Alright guys, that's all the info I have on our 12 megapixel fisheye camera. If you guys are interested in adding this to your Montavue arsenal, give us a call. We are happy to answer any questions you guys have that I didn't cover in this video, although I think I got everything. If you guys are interested, I'm going to put a link below in the description, so click on that and that'll take you to the website where you can purchase. Again, if you guys have any questions, we're here Monday through Friday. Call tech support or the sales line. And I always appreciate you guys checking out these videos. Please like and subscribe down below. It really helps me out. And you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for choosing Montavue.